Hello everyone, today's topic is global warming and how you start your speech. I'll let you know. First, you have to add your opening line. Hey everyone, let's talk about something super important global warming. It's like when the earth gets too hot because of some stuff we are doing. Then you have to start your speech. Okay, imagine this our planet is like a big bubble and it's got this cozy blanket around. It's called the atmosphere. But here's the problem we are adding extra layer to that blanket by burning stuff like coal and gas, and that's making the earth too warm. It's like when you put on too many blankets and start sweating. And when the earth gets too warm, bad things happen. Ice melts, ocean get hotter, and animals lose their homes. It's like a big mess that we are making. But here's the good news we can do something about it. We can use more clean energy like wind and solar power, drive less, and recycle more. These things can help slow down global warming and keep our planet safe. After finishing your speech, you have to add the closing line. So let's all do our part because together we can make a big difference and keep our planet cool and happy for a long, long time. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video friends, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video. And if you like the content of this video, if you want more topic, so please let me know in the comment box. I'll surely share with you very soon. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.